Hey everybody, I'm the Average Car Blondie, and today we're going to do something a little bit different on this channel. I've recently been sent all of these packages for our next upcoming car show, Toyota Fest 2024, taking place right here at Courtesy Toyota on January 7th. And I've been sent all of these packages, so I figured we would just open them up together. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you want to see more box opening videos. Apparently this is a thing here, so since I just got a bunch of them, I figured I'd open them with you guys. So let's begin. Okay, so for the first one, I did cheat a little bit. I actually already took this out of its box, but I wanted to show you guys anyways. So we were sent by MBRP Exhaust a whole bunch of merch. Now, I'm not gonna show you everything they sent us because I have to keep it a little bit of a surprise for the event, right? But they sent us a bunch of these really, really nice hats that I'm really excited for. And like, they look really good, look. So yeah, those were really cool. And then we did get sent something from Skyjacker as well, but theirs is a gift certificate. And I'm not gonna show you it yet, but that's what's in here. All right, I guess we'll start from the smallest to the biggest. My handy dandy scissors. Ooh, this one goes with this box too. They packaged us very well. That was really hard to open. This is from Napier. I think I'm saying that right. Ooh, nice. Ooh, okay. I won't show you the back because there's a discount code on this, but this is so cool. So this is like little pamphlets for us to put out. With the stuff that they sent us that's in this big box. If you're an overlander or you're just someone that likes to go camping, check them out. They really have the coolest like tents and adaptations and stuff. It's really neat. All right, I'm gonna make sure I don't mess this one up. Okay. Man, I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh, you have no idea. Oh, they packaged this really well. Jeez. Okay, so these are, oh my gosh, they're so cute. I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger, but that was also, I didn't measure, so that actually makes sense. So these are for the show. Our big prizes are gonna be custom trophies, but these are for the smaller awards. We got these custom ribbons made. These are they look so good. Look at the package. I don't wanna pull it out. Oh, it's so pretty. This is so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to show this to everyone. You guys are getting a sneak peek of these. No one has seen them besides really me. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I'm so, so excited. All right, our next one is from Deemerbox. So excited to work with them. They were so, so sweet when we were talking. And I am excited for this. If you're not familiar with Deemerbox, they make the industrial Bluetooth boombox. So if you're off-roader, overlander, you go hiking, you go fishing, you go to the beach, you do anything outdoors and you want music, but you don't want to buy like the little crappy ones that always break after the first time, this is what you want. You want the Deemerbox. And oh my gosh, look at how, you can kind of see it. Look at that color. It kind of looks, it looks like a Solar Octane. I would love to see this next to Solar Octane. Oh my gosh, okay. Look at that. This is so cool looking. Let's see. Okay, enable multicast mode for speakers. Okay, so you can hook multiple up together. Oh, this is so cool. Using in or around water and sand. This is so neat. I want to open it. Oh, man. Oh, so cool. There's like all kinds of stuff in here. USB chargers, audio in. This is so neat. I think this is a charger and accessories at the bottom of it. Man, you can feel it too. Like, this is thick. Like, they did a great job building this. This is so cool. I just want to like tinker with everything in here. Fully serviceable. Every Deemer box is hand-built in the U.S. and rigorously tested before it reaches your home. We're proud of our products and want you to enjoy your speaker for years to come. Your Deemer box is covered by a 1-year limited warranty. Very cool. And they get a warranty with this. I'm so excited. This is so neat. What a cool product. You could just feel the quality in this. It's like, it's not too heavy, but like, she's thick. I think this is gonna be our next one. This one got a little beat up in the shipping. I actually have no idea what this is. Or where it came from. Guess I'll find out. Oh, I think this might be from Napier also. Okay. Oh, okay. This is so, oh my gosh, they sent so many. Napier, oh, thank you guys. This is a huge box of hats. I love this. Oh, these are so nice. That's so cool. Thank you, Napier. If you guys ever watch this, thank you guys. Oh my gosh. All right. I didn't even know they were sending that one. So that was a nice, fun surprise. All right, let's go for the big boy. All right, how do I even? I'm nervous. I don't even know how to open this. Okay, I kind of know what this one is. The world leader in vehicle tents. Trusted partner among multiple manufacturers, backed by a 1-year warranty. All right, I got it. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. So this is a truck tent, the sports truck tent. And this one fits on a Tundra. And a Tacoma. No, just a Tundra. Calling all anglers, off-roaders, hardcore tailgaters, and everyone in between, the sports truck tent seamlessly assembles in the back of your pickup truck, allowing you to sleep comfortably and dry off on the ground and under the stars, perfectly for all of your get up and go adventures. Full tent floor, 3 mesh windows, large door entrance, 2 ceiling vents, comfortably sleeps 2 adults, about 15 minutes to set up. You know, if it was me, it would be 2 hours. And it stores right all in here. Rear access panel allows you to access your truck's interior for storage and connection to power outlets. Nice. Keep your gear organized. Oh, there's little gear pockets, a lantern holder. What? Weather protection. Oh man, that's so cool. I'm not gonna open this all the way up because we are gonna end up opening it up the day of and displaying it. I'm gonna have to find some of the guys to help me with that. because I don't read the directions and then get really frustrated by it. So when I can't figure out how to do it. So let me know if you're like that in the comments. I'm pretty sure I get it from my dad. If you enjoyed today's boxing, please let me know in the comments down below. If you guys like it enough, I will probably have another one of these coming up in a few months, as we have so many awesome companies who are donating towards Toyota Fest 2024. Let me know if there's any companies that you would like to see at the event or that you think would be a great sponsor, and I can reach out to them and see if they will sponsor the event as well. Again, shout out to Napier Tents, Deemer Box, MBRP Exhaust, and Skyjacker for all of their donations so far. We're really excited. If you'd like to join us at the event, it is Toyota Fest 2024 here in Tampa, Florida at Courtesy Toyota of Brandon. It's January 7th, going on from 11 to around 4 p.m. Really huge event. We have hundreds of cars. It's not just for Toyotas. There's new Toyotas, old Toyotas, big Toyotas, little Toyotas, and non-Toyotas at this event. We have over 30 categories that you could win an award at, and we would love to see you guys here. We have so much fun doing this, and maybe we'll do another round and see what else I can open. Have a great day, guys. Bye.